Hey, I have a second channel, CubeComp MTDX. Hey everybody, so here's another video featuring the Cube Computer Porta-Cube system, and today I want to talk about memory. So when you're building a system and you're using like retail parts, like a nice motherboard, and you're using performance memory or just decent memory from brands like G-Skill, Corsair, among others, there's some RAM out there that, in addition to the normal JEDEC timings, will also have an XMP timing. So you can see here under, for example, JEDEC 5, you can see the CS latency is 17, but on the XMP profile, the CS is 15. So there are some cases when you install RAM into a system, it may not automatically, the BIOS or UEFI may not automatically change your timings over to the XMP. It may just default to the JEDEC setting. You know, if your motherboard supports overclocking and things like that, and maybe even if it doesn't, depends on your motherboard, you should be able to go into the UEFI and change the memory setting to use the XMP setting. So what we're going to do is we'll go and restart this system and go into the UEFI. Which on most retail motherboards from the big brands like Asus, ASRock, MSI, Gigabyte, those, you press delete to get into the utility, the SEP utility. And this motherboard in particular is an ASRock A520M-HDV motherboard. So in this BIOS, if we go to OC Tweaker, down here you'll see an option to load XMP setting, and we've already done that. You can see XMP 2.0 Profile 1 has been loaded, which loads in the specific timings and settings. So let's say some motherboards may do this automatically, others you may have to go in and manually do it. This particular motherboard I did have to go in here and manually set it. So again, on this board you go into OC Tweaker, and I think the BIOS may be very similar among different ASRock motherboards. You go into the UEFI BIOS and go to OC Tweaker and go to load XMP setting, and you can load the XMP profile that is specific to those memory modules, if your memory modules do in fact have an XMP profile. So once you do that, you would choose exit and save your changes and exit, and let the system restart, and it will load the XMP settings and use those timings and frequency if applicable for your memory modules. That way you can get a little extra performance out of your RAM. And once you're back in, you would then relaunch a utility like CPU-Z, and you can go in and check those RAM settings, and that way you can make sure that the RAM is in fact running on the XMP profile. So anyways, hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Well everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Computer channel, and be sure to tick that bell so you'll get notified when new videos are posted. Also, don't forget, I have a whole lot of other interesting videos here on the channel to check out. And also, in addition, I have a second channel, CubeComp MTDX, where I have all sorts of other videos not exactly related to technology. Links to the channels are available at the end of this video. Again, I thank you for your support, and thanks for watching this video.